Hello everyone, this is As Muhammad Khan and I welcome you with today's segment student. Today we will discuss one important segment, that is immunology student. Immunology means the study of immune system, and the father of immunology is student Edward Jenner. Edward Jenner is known as the father of immunology because he discovered the first vaccine of smallpox. And how did he discover, student? He discovered with the help of one study, and he found that generally the milkmaids means the person who works with the milk, they don't have the smallpox disease. Why do they don't have the smallpox disease? He found, student, that in their childhood age they have the disease related to cowpox, and due to that some antigens are produced in their body from which they didn't have the particular smallpox disease. And with the help of that, student, he found or he discovered this particular vaccine of smallpox, student. And student, he also did one experiment. He injected cowpox virus in a small boy. The name of that boy was James Phipps. And when he entered the small cowpox vaccine inside the body of the James Phipps, then he observed that he was infected from that. Now he again injected one smallpox vaccine in his body. Now what he found, student? He found that he did not infected by the smallpox. What does it mean? It means that the cowpox vaccine that was injected in his body, that particular vaccine produced the antigen against the smallpox. That's why that boy was not infected by the smallpox, student. So with the help of this, he discovered, Miss Edward Jenner discovered the first vaccine of smallpox. And he also discovered the branch of immunization, and this branch of immunization he discovered, student. According to this, it is the method of the stimulating resistance in the human body to a specific disease by entering the microorganisms like bacteria or virus. And these bacteria or viruses produce antigens, and those antigens fight against the disease, and these treated microorganisms don't cause the disease. What they do, they triggers the immunity system inside the body of the living organism, and with the help of this the immunity system becomes strong, student. So it is about the immunization and the vaccination. There are the different vaccines are given to the infants or the small age childs, like the poliovirus vaccine, hepatitis vaccine, TB vaccine, BCG vaccine. There are the different vaccines are given to the infants or the small age childs. Now, student, we will discuss about the immunity system. Our body also have the immunity system, student, in the form of different parts. Like the whole immunity system is controlled by the brain. With this, there is one particular gland is also found in our body. That gland is found in our chest cavity, and what we call it thymus gland. And this thymus gland, student, protects us from the diseases by secreting one important hormone that is known as thymosin hormone. With this, in our circulatory system, WBC and the limbs are found. And WBC and the limbs also help us to fight against the disease, and what they make our immunity system strong. So immunity system is also found in our body, that immunity system fight against the diseases. So student, it is about the immunology and immunity system. Now, for having the proper immunity system, what should we do? We should take balanced diet, student. With the balanced diet, we should take the vitamins and minerals in our diet. Especially, what should we take? We should take vitamins and minerals, because vitamins and minerals make our immunity system strong, student. With this, we should also take protein nutrients, especially the pulses, milk, egg, fish, we should take in our diet. Why, student? Because these nutrients contains the protein, and protein makes the antigen in our body, and those antigens fight against the diseases. So for having the good immunity system, what should we have in our diet? We should have protein, vitamins and minerals, students, in our diet. And we should also take care of our personal hygiene or the community hygiene. Means we should also take care the cleaning of our surrounding, student. So these are the some measurements from which we can make our immunity system strong, student. So it is about the immunology or immunization, and the father of immunology, that is Edward Jenner, student. Now we have completed this chapter. Now in our next segment, I will discuss with you with a new segment that is related to COVID-19 disease, student. So thank you very much and have a nice day.